This is like take 37, I think. Joking.
Shout out to Marvin Gaye. Love you, then they hate you, then they love you again. Hate you, then they love you, then they hate you again. Lord.
It's Tuesday, so I don't know about you, but for me, Tuesday means Taco Tuesday. So we're gonna make some really tasty food today, and I'm grilling up some shrimp tacos. I think you're gonna like it, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So stay tuned. Always remember, please subscribe, turn notifications, give me a thumbs up, let me know what you think in the comments, and let's have a good time and a good conversation. More to come, stay tuned. So today I am making some grilled tacos. I'm going to add some nice queso fresco as well, and then also some cabbage on top. It's gonna be really, really good. Very simple and easy to make, fresh ingredients, a lot of goodness, some great textures, as well as some really good flavor profiles. So I think you're gonna really like it. It's gonna be very simple, about 20 to 25 minutes from start to finish to make it. So stay tuned for that. So I have a couple of ingredients here, and I have some mango and also some jalapeno. I have a few different types of peppers I'm gonna be using today, but I'm making two types of salsa. One's gonna be a spicy mango salsa, which I'm kind of bringing back from my recipe I did last week, which was the grilled salmon and spicy mango salsa. And then I'm making a nice kind of a spicier green salsa as well. So it's gonna be pretty good. Gonna have some nice garlicky flavor, some cilantro, and a lot of different good things in it. So stay tuned for that.
forgot. Love you, then I hate you, then I love you again. Hate you, then I love you, then I hate you again. Lord.
I'm gonna be doing more Taco Tuesday videos coming up too, so excited to learn more about some of these new spots. If you have some, send me some comments, let me know where you like to go for tacos. Also, if you have any great taco recipes, I'd love to hear about them too. So you never know, they may pop up in a video. So I'll give you a shout out if they do. All right, thanks.